Good morning everyone, happy Wednesday. I am back with my weekly vlog. I hope you're having a great day so far. It is the long weekend, it's Easter weekend. I'm super excited. I'm off tomorrow, I'm off on Monday, so we have a 4-day weekend. Very happy about that. So we're going to spend the weekend with Paddy's family because I haven't spent much time with them lately, just with all the craziness of our own house and everything. So they're over on Saturday, and then Monday we're going for dinner in Riley's on the Keys with a group of our friends. One of our friends wants us to meet his new boyfriend, so I'm very excited for that. And what else have we got going on? Not really much. I'm kind of starting to plan Noah's birthday. I know it's not for another month. I'm thinking like a safari theme. We're only going to have like a small amount of guests, probably just his grandparents and his aunts and uncles and my friend Lisa and maybe her little boy and a couple of my friends' kids and stuff. So it'll just be a very small get together because obviously Noah doesn't have a wide selection of friends being a 1-year-old. We're gonna just have a little small thing just to celebrate his birthday, and then the next day is his baptism and he's getting baptized in St. Mactus, which is very close to Paddy's house. So I'm very excited for all of that. There's a lot going on and I was trying to like find a christening outfit. Obviously we couldn't baptize him during like COVID, and now is like the first time, and the churches have been backed up for so long because everybody's starting to get their babies christened now, so it's just taken a really long time. Right now I'm just going to go and dress him. I'm going to make myself a cup of tea while I have a little break from work. And yeah, we're gonna go see the house then at the weekend as well, which I'm really excited about. I haven't seen it in a week and I'm sure there's like loads of progress and stuff. I am vlogging like the house renovation separately so you guys can see it, but it's just really nice to, I need to open the blind a bit. It's just really nice to kind of see it every week and see what stage it's at, and our plumber, electrician, builder is fantastic. So I might show you a little clip, just a sneaky little clip of what the house is looking like. I'm sure it's a bit of a mess because the last time I was there was a lot of stuff everywhere. You know, things have been fixed up in it and everything. And yeah, I'm just really excited to see the progress and, you know, what's going on. It's also been the first day since I put up my vlog, so I'm just checking the comments and reading through them, and you guys seem to really like these weekly vlogs. Also someone, because I dated the vlog like the 10th of April, somebody was like, today's the 13th, but it's like a video diary of those dates. So just so there's no more confusion, I will date these videos the time that I'm actually filming them, not when I upload them, because like I said, it's like a video diary or video weekly vlog, whatever. I got sent out a couple of things from L'Oreal, which I'll show you in a minute. Right now I'm going to dress Noah and get him down for a nap, and yeah, I will chat to you guys in a little bit. So these are the L'Oreal bits that were sent to me. The L'Oreal Elvive Hydra Hyaluronic 72-hour moisture wrap mask, the conditioner from the range, the shampoo, and then I like the look of this product, the Moisture Plump Serum. They smell incredible. I really want to give these a try. Has anyone tried them before? What do you guys think of them? They smell so good. I've just actually run out of shampoo and conditioner. I just thought maybe I might give these a try. Just if you're interested, there's the prices of everything, and they're all available right now. So this is actually the shampoo and conditioner range that I'm using at the moment. The Alpha Par Milano, and this is the diamond one. So I use the shampoo, the conditioner. I also absolutely swear by this mask. It is the best hair mask I've ever used. It's so good. And the Pureology is the other range that I usually use, the Hydrate one. Somebody told me not that long ago, and I don't know if this is true, but the Pureology is actually really bad for your hair and it like damages your hair. But like I said, don't know how true that is. Someone also said that it makes your hair fall out. I've never had any issues like that with it, but I don't know, now I'm kind of like freaked out. And then I don't regularly tone my hair, but when I am, I use the Fudge Professional. This is the Violet Toning Shampoo. I also use the Lee Stafford one. This is just the conditioner at the moment. I picked up the conditioner by mistake, so I didn't have any of the shampoo, and I just picked up the Fudge one online just to try it out. I think I'll stick with the Fudge brand. I almost prefer it. Look, you can probably see some of the purple shampoo underneath my nails. I purple shampooed my hair last night. Yeah, I'll give those shampoos and conditioners a go. It's later on in the day, as you can probably tell, and I'm nearly finished work. It's gone 4 o'clock, so I'm just going to make myself some tea, and I usually finish work at 4 every day, so I'm just going to have another cup of tea and I think something to eat, like I don't know, I had lunch a while ago, so I might just have something with my tea just to eat. And yeah, Noah had a nap, not for very long. He's only napping for like an hour in the day now, which is kind of staggered. He has like a half an hour nap in the morning and a half an hour in the afternoon, so it's not really like he's getting much sleep anyway. Not that he was a big napper anyway in the day, like he normally would only have maybe an hour and a half in the whole day. That's just the way he is, but he sleeps from 8 till 8, so I don't really mind about the naps during the day. It's so great working from home that I'm able to spend all this time with Noah as well. Like, I would be so upset if I had to go into an office all the time and missing out on all the things, all the little milestones. I just found a girl online as well that makes cakes, and I'm so excited because I think I found his birthday cake. She does like the coolest cakes ever. I'm not going to recommend her yet until I get the cake, because I could be recommending somebody and the cake's not nice or not done. I don't know, but I'm just a bit hesitant to recommend people until I actually have tried the cake. The reviews are really, really good on her Instagram and stuff like that, so I can't wait to order that. Right, so I'm gonna go make myself tea and then finish my work for the day. Hey everyone, happy Good Friday. We are just heading in to get some Easter eggs because I never got Paddy an Easter egg and he never got me one, so we're just gonna go pick them out. Yeah, I think like surprising each other with Easter eggs now at this stage is just there's just too much going on for those little surprises. I completely forgot, to be honest, so we're just gonna go get Easter eggs. And I don't know what else we're doing. Oh yeah, we're going to DID Electric because we've picked out our fridge, and the guy who is designing our kitchen needs the dimensions of the fridge in order to make the surround for it, so that's what we're going to go do now. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all we're doing today, and then we're just going to have like a chilled day as best as possible, because tonight we are going out. It is my friend Amy's 30th birthday, so we're going to have a little surprise get together. She doesn't know that we're organising something, and obviously by the time this video goes live it will already have happened. But yeah, I'm excited to see her. I haven't seen her in so long, just with, you know, life in general. She's been busy, I've been busy, so it'll be just really nice to catch up and have a few drinks and stuff. I probably won't have a late one because I know that sounds terrible, like I'm still young, but I can't stay awake past like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock now. It's like I have to go to bed early. I sound like such a bore, but that's what happens, I think, with life. Noah was up really early this morning and he didn't go to bed till late last night, and I was thinking, oh, he won't get up now till, I don't know, close to 9, but he was up at like a quarter to 8, yeah, 7:30, which is, I suppose, normal for kids, but no one normally sleeps till 9, or like between 8:30 and 9, so he was up very early and in bed late last night. So yeah, and then he woke up like I think a couple of times in the night, so we're a bit sleepy today. Yeah, but I'm excited to go out for a few drinks and meet up with Amy and, you know, have a, I don't know, have a get together. I think our kitchen table is coming in a couple of weeks as well from Easy Living, and we have to find somewhere to store that because we've like put them off for so long, and now I think it's time that we have to take the table off them. We have loads of really nice homeware bits in here. The Neville Maguire selection. I really want one of these, a potato ricer. They have tons of really nice homeware bits. All the Catch and Donnelly bits as well. They're always so nice. Noah's starting to walk. We're looking at getting him little pre-walker shoes. What do you think of these, Noah? He has a size 3. Oh, you threw it on the floor.
This one?
They're not the most trendiest shoes, but they're just to help him.
Which one?
With his balance.
The brown one?
He doesn't know.
You want the brown one?
No, he wants the navy. He doesn't want
either.
Oh, look how cute these are. We're in deals and they're just so cute. I actually really want to get this. I think I might. It's a little egg plate. They're adorable. They've loads of little bits and pieces in here for Easter. I think we're a bit delayed in getting Easter bits now, but for next year for the house and stuff, I will definitely do it up for Easter because there's just so many cute things. Little egg. So just packing the car, I've been blown away by the wind outside. So I look a bit disheveled. I just picked up a coffee and insomnia. And Patty's just gone in to Tesco's to have a look for Easter eggs. It's the final place that we're gonna try. Can't get them anywhere. It's our own fault. We left it till Good Friday. Like, who does that? Who does these stupid things? We do, but like, it's not the end of the world. The Easter bunny has already sorted out Noah's egg. We'll be getting an egg, even though he won't be eating it on Sunday. But it's just something from the Easter bunny. And Patty and I, like, it's not really a big deal. Oh, hang on, Patty is calling me. Better answer him. Patty managed to get a few eggs in there. That's what he was ringing me about. He was like, which one do you want? I actually don't even mind. Like, I'm not really that big into chocolate. It's just kind of the novelty of having an Easter egg. But yeah, I remember last year when I was pregnant running around trying to get eggs everywhere as well. I don't know why I do this to myself every year, and I don't do it with anything else. Like, it's not like I'm buying my Christmas presents on Christmas Eve. It's just Easter. I don't know why I'm like, oh yeah, I'll get an Easter egg. Sure, I'll get one the day before, or like 2 days before. No, you don't. So at least I have the novelty of an Easter egg this Easter. How are you getting on in your first shoes? Now, oh my God, look at you. Oh, look at you. Yeah. In your shoes. How are you going? Oh, don't fall, don't fall. Come to mommy. Come on, come to mommy. Yay! Oh, your lovely new shoes. Up we go. Up we go. That's mommy's wallet. There's nothing to rob in there. Uh-oh. That's my Boots card. Ta-ta. Noah, throw the ball. Go on, Noah, throw the ball.
Scratching. You're itching. Have you no itch there?
Throw it, Noah. Throw. Yay! Patty got me these beautiful flowers. I'm actually obsessed with them. I love the pink lilies. I thought they were white lilies at first. They're beautiful. So I've just finished doing my hair and makeup. My hair needs to be brushed out, and I need to fix a few of the curls as they've fallen a little bit. And I also need to put some lashes on. I'm not going to go crazy with them. I also need to blend this out. It's looking a bit crazy on camera. Then need to get dressed. So we're nearly all ready. I'm going to put Noah to bed before I leave. Do you want beef stew tonight? He has no choice in the matter because that's what's on the menu. We made beef stew the other night. We usually put a few portions aside for him whenever we make anything, like beef stew, chicken stew, some fish, but we haven't had fish pie in a long time. And I think you're hungry now, so I'm gonna go and feed him his stew. It looks really appetizing. I know it doesn't, but it tastes so nice. Last night I was giving him the beef stew and I was like, oh my God, this is so tasty. And then he'll have supper before he goes to bed, which is normally a little bit of ready brack or something like that. Dinner time, Noah. Woohoo! You ready for dinner? Yummy, yummy, yummy. We're still giving Noah kind of pureed food, semi-pureed. There's like lumps in it because he only has 2 teeth and one is just coming down, so he's not able to like munch too much on like harder food, which is kind of annoying because he's 11 months now and you definitely should be on more solid food. So I always give him like fruit because, you know, that kind of like goes mushy. Oh, that goes mushy, and then the rest of the food is kind of pureed until, like I said, he's able to chew it a bit more. So once you get a few more teeth in you. Also, he's getting on really well with his little shoes. He wasn't sure what the story was with them in the beginning because obviously they feel really heavy, I'd say, on his feet, and he's just kind of like dragging his feet around and like trying to crawl again, but now he's well used to them. Making a mess? Oh, lovely. Oh wow, looks fantastic. Oh yes, that's great. I am ready to go, so I'm wearing this like shimmery top. I'm not going to be wearing my glasses. I got this in Miss Pap. I don't think it's available anymore. It's the first time I've actually worn it out, which is the first time appropriate to wear it. I got this bag in Zara, I think it was Zara, I'm not sure. And then these black pants are Zara, and yeah, so I'm ready to go. My hair is a bit messy, but hey ho. So guys, I will talk to you all tomorrow, and I'm so excited to see Amy in for the surprise party. Hi guys, this is not really how I wanted to end today's vlog, but I am going to end it right now because I actually had a loss in my family, so I just didn't really feel like vlogging. My aunt passed away. Obviously the last time you would have seen me would have been just the last time I was vlogging, and I just don't really feel like finishing today's vlog. I've been all peppy and happy and cheery and whatever, so I'm gonna just leave it as it is. I will be back to vlogging when I feel up to it. Thank you for watching today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will have more content coming up very soon, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. I love you. Mwah. Bye.